In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make these Easter crocheted carrots. It's a super easy project, actually beginner friendly. We're just going to use a single crochet stitch with increases and decreases. At the end, I will show you how to attach the tassel. The full written pattern is available for free on my website, madeonmail.com. This tutorial is not meant to teach you how to crochet, and I'll just be showing you how to make this pattern. For this project, you will need some scrap yarn and either weight 3 or 4. Regardless of the weight of your yarn, I used a 4.0 millimeter hook size. You'll need scissors and a needle to thread in your ends, as well as add your topper. Now, if you're planning to use up your scrap yarn like I have, you're gonna have different size yarn, different brands, and that's gonna result in different size carrots despite using the same pattern. So if you want them all uniform in size, I recommend using at least the same weight, if not the same brand of yarn, to ensure that they come out relatively the same size. Now, these carrots are not stuffed, they're hollow. However, you can stuff them before we close on the top if you preferred a more stuffed carrot. They are stiff and do hold their shape pretty well, so you can definitely manipulate them to hold a more round shape. However, I have chosen to style them with a more flat shape. Let's get started. Now, this project is worked in rounds, and we're not going to join the round, we're just going to continue working in the round. If it's helpful to you, you can use a stitch marker to mark the last stitch in each round so you know when you've worked a complete round. I also found it helpful to keep a notepad close by to keep track of how many rounds I've completed. To get started, we will start with a magic ring, and then we will work 4 single crochets in that magic ring. We will tighten the magic ring and then move on to round 2. To start, we will work 1 single crochet in the first stitch here. We're working that first single crochet, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch, one single crochet in the third, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Round 2 is now complete. For round 3, we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I'm going to complete that off camera and meet you back. So I've worked 6 single crochets around. Now for round 4, we are going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and we will repeat that around for a total of 9 single crochets. Worked 9 single crochets around. Now for rounds 5 to 8, you will work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 9 single crochets per round. So I'm going to work those 4 rows, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll meet you back for round 9. I've just finished up round 8, working 9 single crochets around. As you can see, the carrot is starting to take shape. Now for round 9, we will work another increase. So you'll start by working a single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. You will repeat this around for 12 single crochets. So I've worked round 9. I have 12 single crochets. Now I'm going to work an additional 8 rounds of 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So each round or row should have 12 single crochets. I'm going to do that off camera and then meet you back when that's finished. I've just finished round 17, working 12 single crochets in the round. Now for round 18, we're going to do another increase. So we'll start by working 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 in the second stitch, and 1 in the third stitch. Then in the fourth stitch, we'll work 2 single crochets. You will repeat this around so that you have a total of 15 single crochets in this round. We've just finished round 18. You should have 15 single crochets. Just finished round 18. So you should have 15 single crochets around. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay. So now rounds 19 to 25. So 7 more rounds. You will work 1 single crochet in each stitch around so that you have a total of 15 single crochets per round. I've just finished round 25. Now round 26, we will work our final increase row. So we'll start by working 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch, and 2 single crochets in the third stitch. You will repeat this around so that you have 20 stitches in total. You're going to work another 6 rounds with 1 single crochet in each stitch, so 6 rounds of 20 single crochets. I've just finished round 32. Now we will begin our decrease rows. So for round 33, we will start by working 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Okay, then we will work a single crochet decrease, or 1 single crochet 2 together. Now we'll work 8 single crochets, so 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. And then a single crochet 2 together. So this row will now have 18 stitches. We'll continue decreasing. Round 34, we will work 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then you will work a single crochet 2 together. And you'll repeat around twice more. And our final single crochet 2 together. So that round you should have worked 15 stitches. For round 35, we will start by working 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So, then we'll work a single crochet 2 together. You'll repeat this around twice more. And our final single crochet 2 together. So that was round 35, and you should have worked 12 stitches. Round 36, we'll work 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then I'll work a single crochet 2 together. You'll repeat that twice more. So that was round 36. So you should have worked 9 stitches. Now, if you're planning to stuff your carrots, now would be the time to do it while the opening is still manageable to get stuffing in there. However, I'm not stuffing, so I'm going to continue on to round 37. Round 37, you will start by working 1 single crochet and then a single crochet 2 together. Okay, now you're going to repeat that twice more. Okay, so there we have it. That was round 37. It's our final round, and you should have worked 6 stitches. Now, I like to chain 1 at the end before I fasten off so it's more secure. We're going to leave a decent size tail so we can weave in our ends. Okay. So now you're going to go ahead and weave in this end here. You're going to use your tail at the top to weave in this small hole by weaving back and forth. There we have it. Our carrot is complete. If you're opting to do a carrot top, I'll show you how to complete that now. We'll do both a yarn and a raffia one. I actually picked up this raffia at my local thrift store. I actually thought it was the perfect color for a carrot top. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut lengths of this that I want for my carrot top. I've cut some lengths of my raffia here, about between 6 to 9 inches in length. And then what I did was I grabbed a few lengths at a time and thread them through my needle. And then I found the top of my carrot and just chose a couple of threads to catch. And then I pulled them through and left them loose. And then I repeated that a few more times. Now that I'm happy with the length of the carrot tops here, I'm going to kind of bend and manipulate them so they're sticking straight up. Then I found it was useful to take a thinner piece and just wrap it around a few times like so. Okay, then I just left the ends of those there, and there you have it. So that's how they look with the raffia. Okay, so there we have it. There's one bunch of carrots. Now I'll show you how to do the yarn ones. There's so many ways you could do this. You could crochet your carrot top. You could do a bunch of chains. You could use twine. You could use the same color thread, different. There's lots of options. So similar to the raffia ones, I simply just have some strands of yarn here, measuring about, probably the same, yeah, about 8 to 9 inches. And then it's the same technique, I just took a couple strands at a time and wove them through. There we go. You can certainly tie these together, however I just kept them loose. They're not going to be handled very much, so I don't anticipate the strands being pulled out. And there's my third set. So let me know down in the comments which carrot top for, as well as let me know what color pairings you think would look good. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, please like, subscribe, or share. If you want the full written pattern for these carrots or to see other DIY or crochet projects, please visit my website, madeonmail.com. I'll be posting how I styled these on my Instagram, which is @madeonmail. If you made it to the end, please comment the word carrot down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.